Hi guys, it's Mary. I've got something new to share with you. You know that I did a virtual crop, and they had different vendors, and they also had different partners that had discount codes. And so one of the teachers, Kathy Zelsky, Kathy Z, she's always doing videos on Simon Says stamps, card kits, and other supplies. I think they also have her line of small line of product on their site. So I went looking, which is one should never do unless you want to spend money. We all know that as crafters. But I fell in love with their October kit, the stamp set that was in it. And so I wanted to show you the contents of this October kit. Unfortunately, it's sold out, but they did just release a November one. So these kits are $39.99 if you just do a one-off. If you subscribe, then it's cheaper. I think it was like $34.99 or something. So normally they come in this cute little box that has a little bulldog and stuff on it, but every time they send out a kit, they also send out a piece of candy, or I think this month it's a package of hot chocolate. And unfortunately, I didn't even think about it, that we're having ant problems, and I don't have the box anymore because I had to take it out because it was full of ants on the little Tootsie Pop type candy that was in there. So I've learned my lesson. But this month did come with one of their bags, which are really nice to hold everything in. In fact, I just placed an order with them and ordered a couple more of these because these are nice and roomy. So I wanted to share with you what came in this kit. And this kit was called So Talkative. And the selling point, like I said, for me was the stamp set. And to buy the stamp set, because they do have like the pieces individual, it was $24.99. So it wasn't, what, $15 more to buy the whole kit. So I said, well, what the hell? And I did. So this is the stamp set. Sending so many happy thoughts, I can't contain them all. You make life fun. Just want to say hello. Everything is going to be okay. You're simply the best. I just want to hug you. Thinking of you. Hi, friend. Thank you for always listening. I hope I can return the favor. Hey, how is my favorite person doing? I was just thinking about you. How are you? I just love these sayings because I send a lot of thinking of you or hello cards out. And even after all this time, we still can't, see everybody that we want to see or are able to travel to see people. Sending you strength and courage for today and happiness for tomorrow. Such a nice sentiment. This card is full of love. Can you feel it? Oh, isn't that sweet? I just want to hug you. Friends are our chosen family. I'm so glad you exist. Long distance hug. I just love this stamp set, and I'm pretty sure that it's probably still available individually. So it comes with the big, I think it's 8x9 or whatever stamp set. They're nice big sizes. So, and then the kit came with an embossing folder, Kaleidoscope. So I'm anxious to see this. It looks like it's a 3D one. And And it comes, I'm assuming that they all come with little sheets. So this one came with card fronts. And let me see, what does it say? Came with a 6x8 stamp set, Talking Bubble Stencil. Let's just go down the list. Talking Bubble Stencil, which is so cute. They used it here, and they used it here and here. And then the Kaleidoscope embossing folder. Friend die. Oh, it came with a large teal brush. Sent a stamp to try. The zipper bag. And it comes with 32 assorted cardstock fronts. And they are sealed up. They are A2 size. But there's a nice rainbow of color in here. Let me open this up so that you can see. Yeah, nice. It's got all different colors of the rainbow. And it's really nice. You hear it, really nice and thick. So it's got a lot of body to it. So that was 32 of those. It has, comes with this hologram envelope, I guess, to try. And then these two envelopes that are, this one's pearl, and then this one is just a soft, plain. And they look like those two are self-sealing. And that one looks like you gotta glue it or lick it. So, and then watercolor cards to color. One says Hello Autumn. Then there's this cute one here with a little fox in the reef. And Bounty of Blessings. So those are cool to try. And then it comes with this, it says, is holographic lava. I'm not sure what, if you can see, it's got green, blue, red. Cool. And then incredibly 2 sheets of white cardstock. And it's 110 pound of the Nina white. And then these envelopes are metallic orange peel, blue violet, and then the holographic. So not as much contents as tonic, at least in this particular one, but I like it. I'm happy with it. Like I said, I really like the stamp set, which was definitely the selling point for me. The November one, I went ahead and I canceled my Stamps of Life membership. I was in the Die Hard Club, which had the die and the stamp. Then I dropped down from that to just the stamp. But I know it's only like 12 something, but I love her foldeds, but not so much her stamps. They don't really speak to me. And so it was like, I've been there a little over a year, and it's like time to move on and try something else. So I did go ahead and sign up for their kit. And the November one is called Cozy Wishes. And it has not arrived yet, but it has the cutest stamp set that has birdhouses and birds and mailboxes with flowers. It's got paper. It's got an embossing folder, stencil, and it's got one of they call it a positivity. It's a dog paw, because obviously it's the whole dog thing with them. And it'll hold your ink pad, keep it from sliding, and it has different textures that you can use for like gel press or whatever. And so that's coming in with that one. So it's called Positively Everything Tool. So we'll see. We'll give it a try for a few months and see how I like it. A few months ago, I stopped the Spellbinders membership. So just trying to find stuff that speaks to me and that I feel like I'm getting my money's worth. So if you belong to the Simon Says stamp card kit, or if you've gotten some, let me know how you like it. I thought I had read that you get one of those little pouches in all of them, but the next one has that positivity tool and without a, so I must have read wrong to begin with. But let me know. Like I said, I've tried Tonic, which I'm still a member, Spellbinders, Stamps of Life. So if there's another monthly club that you absolutely love and would recommend, let me know in the comments down below. Because like I said, I'm always trying to find something that speaks to me and gives me my money's worth. So that's it for today. So until the next time, as always, thanks for taking the time to watch. And if you're a subscriber, I thank you. Stay safe and well, and happy crafting. And I'll see you at the next one. Bye-bye.